Now I know they said we was gonna get some snow around here, but child, I was expecting to put on my snow clothes with my nieces and nephews, honey, and I thought we was gonna roll in the snow, have snowball fights, but this ain't enough to throw at a cow, honey. Like, I wish North Carolina got more snow, and when we do, it don't be worth a daggone it. Y'all, I'm tired, and yes, I'm sick again. I went to the doctor, and he gave me no daggone antibiotics, and I just said, I gotta rest this one out. I gotta rest this one out, honey. Yeah, this is our um garage. We also have another one back there. Um, yeah. Let the world tell it. I'm living in a piss poor place. I beg to differ, honey. Good night.